Emergencies can strike at any time. Make sure your business, organization, school, or community is prepared with a portable sound system. In an emergency, every second counts. Shouting over the noise could waste precious seconds. You need to make sure you are heard. A lightweight portable sound system is a great way to make sure that everyone hears your message clearly and quickly. In the first moments of a disaster, roughly 10% of people panic. 80% essentially do nothing. Unable to come to terms with what's happening, they freeze. The remaining 10% jump into action. One of the main points of conducting emergency drilling is to train the 10% to begin coordinating the activities of the 80%, trying to get them to do the right things. Communicating the action plan quickly and effectively prevents the panic group from influencing the behavior of the 80% awaiting further instruction. Portable sound systems such as megaphones can help your emergency planning leaders effectively communicate during the critical stages of the emergency. By having these leaders use this type of communication equipment, they can effectively override the noise, commotion, and sense of panic that can impair any organized emergency plan. There are also long-range weatherproof systems which are ideal for directing emergency crews and crowd control in larger areas. These systems are ideal for situations that may require moving personnel from indoor facilities to an inclement outdoor environment where the elements may add to the complexity of the emergency.
Hi, I'm Dave Flora from Firestorm Solutions, and we help organizations better prepare for dealing with evacuations and drills in the event that something truly important does happen to your organization. Many people think that there's just one simple drill, and that's the get out of town drill associated with fires or something major happen. But actually there's many different types of drills that need to take place in large facilities. Sometimes those drills require evacuation from the building, such as fire, or sometimes it requires relocation to a safer place, such as when there's a tornado or perhaps some type of a chemical spill on the side of a building. Other times it's as important to get the word out that you need to lock down or shelter in place. All of these require different procedures and different ways of handling it throughout your organization, and all of them require clear communications to the people that are impacted throughout these drills.